Well, hey guys, I was wanting to buy me a squirrel feeder, so I got on Amazon. I started looking around, and I come across this Uncle Dunkels backyard squirrel feeder. It says it's got a 1-gallon glass jar, entertaining and enjoyable squirrel feeder for corn, peanuts, and seeds. It was $44.95. The reviews was real good. It's made out of wood with glass jar. So what I want to do is I want to take it out of the box. We're going to take a look at it, and then we're going to go put it out on the tree, put some corn in it, and see how it works. So let's get it out. This is how it comes packaged, just like this. I cut the tape, but I haven't taken it out. All right, there's what it looks like. How it comes shipped. They took and looked like they took some stretch wrap and put around the jar. So let me cut that off right quick. Alright, looks like it's got a couple of holes already pre-drilled so you can screw it on the tree. And actually here in the box they even give you a couple of screws to put on it. Now here's the jar, just comes off just like that. The dimensions on this jar look like it's 10 inches, 6 inches across. It's got a 4-inch mouth, so I guess if you ever break it, you can probably either order you another one off Amazon or eat a gallon of pickles and you'd have a jar. Fits right back on here just like that. I'm not sure, it smells like cedar, so I'm assuming this is made out of cedar. So hey, let's go out and put it on the tree. Let's just see if any squirrels will come eat out of it. Alright, I found me a place to mount it here on this tree. I've got my screws. I'm going to use my little cordless drill. Got my screw in. Now let's do the bottom one. Alright, as you can see, I got me some seeds. It's got sunflower seeds and a lot of different type of seeds. And I've got some peanuts. I'm going to put this on there and see if it'll attract the squirrels. Well, we'll go set up a camera, see if we can get some footage of the squirrels going into the jar. Well, I'll admit it took a few days for the squirrels to get used to it, but once they did, they don't have any problem going in. Now, I put bird seed, I put corn or sunflower seeds, peanuts, pecans. I've tried a little bit of everything in here to see what they like, and apparently they like about everything. But hey, again, this is the Uncle Dunkels with a glass jar squirrel feeder that I got off Amazon. Hey, I'd highly recommend it. I've really enjoyed sitting in my house. I got it where I can look out the door and watch the squirrels. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.